the apocalypse.
All right, guys, I'm excited to say the weather is actually getting a little bit warmer. It's not so cold. It is 41 degrees out right now. So I think it's time we put the cameras back on. All right, guys, there we go. Cameras are back on. Got the one up front, two on the side here, two on the side up over that way. Fusion's going to go up top. We got one here. This side I still need to get one for. That's a new shot that I'm working with. I had to remove the one that was here due to the lures going on, so when I had to put a mount here to get the back shot. We've got the one there. This is the one I need to get for the other side. This is going to be a cinematic shot placement. So let's go test them out. It's been a while. Here we go.